Most people don't realize they're making money mistakes every single day. Mistakes that can cost them thousands, or even their shot at financial freedom. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 biggest money mistakes keeping you poor, why they're so dangerous, and most importantly, how to fix them. Stick around to the end, because mistake number 7 is the one almost everyone makes, even high earners. 1. Lifestyle creep. Here's how it works. You get a raise. Instead of investing the extra money, you reward yourself with a nicer car, a bigger apartment, or new gadgets. Before you know it, your expenses rise as fast as your income, and you're stuck on the treadmill. Example, someone earning €2,000 spends €1,800. They get a raise to €3,000. Now they spend €2,700. Net savings? Still €200. Fix. Lock in your lifestyle for a while. Every raise 50% into investments, 50% for lifestyle upgrades. That way, you grow wealth and enjoy progress. 2. Waiting to invest. Time is your most powerful asset. Waiting just 5 years to start investing can cut your final wealth in half. Example, invest €300 per month, starting at 25 until 65 around. €720,000 at 7% annual return. Start at 30, only €490,000. Same money, less time. The cost of waiting is massive. Fix. Start small, even €5 or €10 a day. The key is consistency, not perfection. 3. Relying on debt. High-interest debt is wealth-destroying. A €1,000 credit card bill at 20%. Interest becomes €1,200 in just a year if you don't pay it off. Mindset trap. Many think, I'll just use debt until I make more money. But the higher your income, the more debt you'll qualify for, and the deeper the hole. Fix. Pay off debt strategically. Snowball, smallest debt first, for motivation. Or avalanche, highest interest first, for math efficiency. Either way, eliminate it fast. 4. No budget or plan. If you don't track where your money goes, you'll never control it. Most people underestimate their spending by 20 to 30%. Example, you think you spend €300 a month eating out, but your card statements show €500. That's €2,400 per year gone unnoticed. Fix. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving or investing. Track for 2 to 3 months. You'll instantly find leaks to plug. 5. Ignoring investing fees. Fees are the silent killer of wealth. Paying 2% on a fund doesn't sound like much, but over 30 years, it can cost you hundreds of thousands. Example, €100,000. Invested at 7%, €761,000. In 30 years, but at 5%, because 2%, goes to fees, only €432,000. You literally gave away €329,000 to fees. Fix. Stick with low-cost index funds and ETFs. Always check the expense ratio. Anything above 0.5% is too much. 6. Chasing quick wins. Lottery, gambling, day trading, meme stocks, random crypto coins. 95% of people lose money trying to get rich quick. Even professional traders fail more than they win. Example, in 2021, people were buying Dogecoin at 60 cents. Today, it's worth a fraction of that. Many lost life savings chasing hype. Fix. Build wealth the boring way. Invest consistently in diversified assets. Remember, Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after the age of 50 because of compounding, not quick bets. 7. Not paying yourself first. This is the deadliest mistake. Most people say, I'll save what's left at the end of the month. But usually nothing is left. Fix. Reverse it. Save and invest the moment you get paid, even if it's 10 to 20% of your income. Automate it. Treat saving like a bill you must pay. Your future self will thank you. So those are the 7 biggest money mistakes keeping you poor. Be honest. Which ones are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments, and I'll reply to as many as I can. And if you're serious about building wealth, subscribe to Wealth Evolution. I post videos every week to help you reach financial freedom.